Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting, the top 7 must-have tech gadgets that will completely upgrade your daily life. From smart chargers and GPS trackers to next-gen accessories, this list is packed with innovation, practicality, and a whole lot of cool factor. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Baseus Qi2 Charger. The Baseus Qi2 15-watt magnetic wireless charger takes wireless charging to a whole new level. It's Qi2 certified for supreme protection and blazing fast 15-watt wireless charging. That's twice as fast as traditional 7.5-watt chargers. With its strong magnetic attraction, you simply snap your iPhone 12 to 15 series on and power up instantly. Its slim 7mm compact body and aluminum alloy design help maintain smart temperature control for consistent, safe charging. Plus, it supports multiple power modes, 15-watt, 10-watt, 7.5-watt, and 5-watt, offering ultimate flexibility. The built-in N52 super magnets provide a 7N magnetic hold, keeping your device perfectly aligned even when shaken. This is not just a charger. It's a reliable partner for your modern Apple ecosystem. Number 6. RGB Headphone Stand. If you love your gaming setup, the RGB Gaming Headphone Stand is the perfect addition to your desk. This luminous stand doesn't just hold your headset. It transforms your setup with colorful RGB lighting and dual USB A 2.0 ports. Made with durable plastic and silicone clamps, it keeps your headphones stable while offering a clean charging hub for your accessories. The 2 USB ports allow you to connect peripherals or charge devices with ease. Weighing just 453 grams, it's sturdy yet sleek, a perfect blend of utility and style for every gamer who wants a vibrant, clutter-free desk. Number 5. 4G Mini GPS Tracker. For pet lovers, the 4G Mini GPS Tracker is an absolute must-have. This waterproof IP67 tracker ensures you can always monitor your furry friends in real time, indoors or outdoors. It uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G connectivity to deliver highly accurate location tracking within meters. You can even replay your pet's history route, set up geofences to create safe zones, and receive alerts if they wander too far. Its smart LED light automatically adjusts to light intensity, and the two-way voice function lets you communicate directly with your pet. Lightweight, reliable, and feature-packed, this gadget gives every pet owner peace of mind. Number 4. Baseus GaN Charger. The Baseus 67-watt GaN Charger is a game-changer for fast-charging enthusiasts. With a built-in dual retractable USB-C cable and 67-watt max output, it powers up your smartphone, laptop, or tablet at lightning speed. It features a triple-layer cooling system and an AI-driven thermal control design that keeps temperatures low and efficiency high. Thanks to its 3D thermal conductive surface, heat dissipation is expanded across 6,867 millimeters squared, ensuring a safe, reliable charge every time. Compact yet powerful, this universal GaN charger supports PD, QC, and PPS protocols, making it your all-in-one charging solution for travel and daily use. Number 3. NOOYAH Dry Bag. If you're an adventure lover, the NOOYAH waterproof dry bag is your go-to outdoor companion. Crafted from 1000D PVC wear-resistant fabric, it delivers IPX8 level waterproof protection with seamless welding for complete durability. Its roll-top closure and buckle design ensure a tight seal, keeping your gear dry even during river trekking or heavy rain. The double-layer construction separates wet and dry items efficiently, while the breathable carrying system provides ultimate comfort on long journeys. Available in multiple colors, this dry backpack is the perfect blend of function, reliability, and style for any outdoor explorer. Number 2. Flextail Zero Pillow. Sleep comfortably wherever you go with the Flextail Zero Pillow, an ergonomic inflatable pillow designed for travelers and home users alike. Featuring dual support contours, it adapts perfectly to your sleeping posture, reducing neck strain whether you're on a flight or camping. The TPU double-layer valve allows for quick inflation in just 3 to 5 breaths and instant deflation when needed. It's ultra-lightweight, packs down to palm size, and comes with a washable cover for hygiene. Made from elastic TPU fabric, it's silent, soft, and built to last. If comfort is your priority, this compact wonder is your best travel buddy. Number 1. Sectyme Bike Alarm. Security meets innovation with the Sectyme Bike Alarm, a wireless, waterproof security system with a powerful 110 decibel siren. It's built with UV-resistant PC material and an IP54 waterproof rating, ensuring durability against any weather. Featuring USB-C charging, 7 adjustable sensitivity levels, and a remote control range of up to 20 meters, this alarm provides peace of mind wherever you park your bike. Its intelligent design resists dust, wind, and rain, keeping your ride secure no matter the conditions. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.